Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. Today I want to talk about marks and things like that will actually help you when reassembling. I'm going to use this wheel as an example. When you pull the wheel off, front or rear, you know it has these spacers on both sides. And sometimes those fall out and you don't really know which way they go back in. Well, one way to tell is there'll always be a mark. Now that we pulled that out, you can see there's a mark right there. You can see where the dirt is and the rub marks. So the rub marks is where it's been inside, and where the dirt collects could not be inside. So where it rubs, it's not going to have dirt collected. So you can always tell which way this goes back in. So you know that this actually fits in this way because it doesn't have that grime all over. As it spins when it needs to, it makes these rub marks. So the side that's actually in the wheel is the side that's going to be clean with the rub marks. And the side that sticks out is going to be able to collect dirt and everything. So that's how you can know which way this goes in. So you wouldn't put this back in this way. If you wanted it the same, you'd put it back in this way. And yeah, I know on wheel spacers, maybe it doesn't matter. You know, it doesn't matter which way they're flipped as long as they're on the correct side of the bike. But this rings true with bolts and everything, you know. If you want to see if it had a washer on it, look at the space once you tighten it down. If there's a space where you can tell that dirt hasn't been there, then you know it needs a washer on it. So that's it, guys. Maybe these marks will help you in the future when you're putting stuff back together and you want to make sure you get it back together the way it was. Well, this is 12 o'clock, and remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.